Meaning of expansive.
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 Expansive. The word expansive describes something large, vast, or extensive in size, extent or scope. It can also refer to a personality or demeanor that is outgoing, friendly, and open. An expansive result could imply significant growth or increase in size, number, or value. For instance, an expansive economy may indicate a stable and thriving financial market with a high GDP growth rate. An expansive speech could suggest an inspiring, informative, or motivational delivery that captivates the audience and leaves a lasting impression. In essence, expansive denotes abundance, openness, and positivity.